Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove account restriction on Facebook. Go and open Facebook application on your phone, and now you should head to the notifications on the top right here. Then here you will find a notification telling you why you are exactly banned. If you cannot find it here, click on your profile picture on the right side on the top right corner. Then click on your profile. Click on these three dots right here. Then go to profile status, and here you will find the status of your profile and why actually you have got banned. So it will tell you the cause. And now to remove the restriction, you should go back, then go back again. And here in this menu, you should scroll down till you find an option called settings and privacy. Then go to settings, click on see more in account center, then tap on personal details. Then you will find identity confirmation, tap on it. And now you'll have to click on confirm your identity, and they'll ask you to provide some data and information about you and your account. So you'll have to provide them. So after you provide them with the information, they will remove the account restriction. But this is method one. If method one is not working, jump directly to method two. So now I will go back to the menu option, then click on my profile and go where I have found the restriction. So I will click on these three dots, then click on profile status, and you should find the restriction. You just have to check your mobile like this. And after shaking the mobile, a message will pop up and you'll have to explain your main issue and contact Facebook support. And after that, your issue will be fixed. And don't worry, this problem is mostly temporary. So you just have to wait till they solve your issue. Then your account will be right back. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.